Absolutely crucial. Every time I get on a plane, I get infuriated when they say to us, um, smoking kills. You may neither smoke nor use your vape in the toilet. An alarm will go off. Well, first, it's factually incorrect. The alarm actually won't go off with a vape because there is no smoke. I'm not asking people to go and test it, but it's vapor. Whereas in cigarette smoke, we have particles which deposit themselves in the lung, which carry nitrosamines, which cause cancer, a range of heavy metals, and a range of other dangerous products. Those are the things that are killing you, not the water vapor with some nicotine and maybe some propylene glycol. That is not going to kill you, and there have been no studies showing it. Um, so I think we really need to understand the fundamental difference that smoking involves combustion, vaping does not. It involves many vapors. And then, of course, nicotine pouches involves neither of those. It's mainly going to be nicotine with a bit of flavorant going into your mouth, no difference from an activated chewing gum, for example. And then I think, particularly in the context of the Czech Republic, where adult smokers tend to be slightly heavier smokers than in many other parts of the world. And many of them are smoking 15, 20 a day. And it's particularly in the group over the age of 40 who smoke 20 a day, where we see the highest levels of lung cancer and COPD risk. Now, if people have been smoking for as many years and by the age of 35, 40, are able to quit or completely switch, they will revert to the status of having been a never smoker very quickly, within a few years. If they quit between 40 and 49, depending on how much they smoked, they will gain anywhere between 10 and 11 years of life expectancy. And even if they quit between 50 and 59, they'll gain between 6, 8, 9 years of life expectancy, making the point that we should not be writing off a smoker when they are age 40, 45, 50, 55, or even 60, because the benefit to their life, to their quality of life, to their family's life is substantial. And having done a lot of the work, I know that again, in public health, there are very few interventions where we can actually say with fair certainty to somebody in their 40s or 50s, making a change will bring you higher quality of life. Um, Alongside these would probably be blood pressure control, blood glucose control, vaccines, and very few other things that fall into that same category.